This group video presentation is prepared by the members of PM Team 10. The name of this project is Opening a Bookstore, and the first part delineates about the overview and background as well as the purpose of preparing this video. The background of our project states the objective of the opening a bookstore in the remote areas, as well as it specify all the concentrates in an exact manner to deal with the specification of budget, cost, time, and management. Switching to the purpose, it ascertains the strategies and goals which define the expectations of the every group member work. Although the planning part is being excluded from the purpose, however, it is the essential part of project because without this, the end was impossible.
Further reinforcing on the critical success factors, the success of the project is defined proportionally because it is the effort of each individual in summarizing both the documents to a greater extent. Define the metrics measured at 90% for the success of the project. And the product scope deals with the completion material as everything in the project had its own importance. Moreover, the specification of the project were WBS plan, the constraints and the summary.
Product scope is further divided into two parts: scope inclusions and scope exclusions. Scope inclusions include these items: summaries, WBS structure, budget, time and theme. Moreover, scope inclusions included errors in planning, structure draft and risk uncertainty and long duration. The key deliverables of our project describe the tangible known product is the books and the end users is the customers.
However, the key milestone dates specify the meeting and collaboration of the teams. For example, Monday at 11 a.m. are the next 3 team meetings scheduled in everyone's calendars.
As well as the estimate budget of our project is $360,900.
All the constraints are known now because the budget is already assigned and the time duration is effectively managed.
All the entities or organizations have the projections and the assumptions because the business constraints are dependent. However, we are assuming a lot with our project. Salary and benefit to employees 25% of sales, advertising 3.5% of sales, text production mix ratio is defined at 30% and non-book product ratio is defined at 25%, as well as the last thing, general products mix ratio at 20%. Now, the next step of work breakdown structure define the different things that are project schedule, project resources, project budget, execute the project monitoring, execute the project risks, as well as some of the project qualities and some of the project lessons that are learned by everyone throughout the project process.
The project holds some of the risks with the different probabilities and the risk management tactics. The following risk of a project is property risk, technical risk, customer risk, vendor risk, equipment risk. These hold the high probability and the medium impact. So these might be cope up with these risk management tactics like as monitor all things before use, meet technician once a week for proper results, keep a copy of invoice for the records, reduce credit limit, use in proper way.
Be continued, the following risks are changing environmental risk, competitive risk, reputation, shelving risk, and workplace risk. Hold the probability medium and risk high, and the cope up with some of the risk tactics are ability to mingle with the changing environment, satisfaction of the customer is all, go pure and smooth in business for best results, organized manner for that, and be aware of all the things.
So the next step is to define the project quality. We would like to continue the discussion with some of the discussion questions. So Simran, how will your project team test to ensure that the project will meet the quality assurance standards?
We created a survey to know what each individual response is there. So as lots of people felt some trouble regarding bookstores, we will create some new techniques to make sure that the quality assurance standards are met by keeping customer satisfaction as our first priority. Let's continue the discussion with other group members. So what will you do before launch to ensure that the project event goes smooth?
So, to ensure that the project goes smooth, we will ensure that the tasks are firstly noted down. We will benchmark some cost and budget lines. By having a precise idea of budget, we will be likely to face more defects. By the result of that, we have created a mobile application for purchasing books which will help people search books easily according to their choice with a subscription advantage when they come to the store. Moreover, our bookstore will be providing many delivery services with which there will be less hindrance to people. We will make sure that the quality of books and visiting the stores are worth paying and visiting respectively. So let us focus on the main question here. So Dilbar, what do you think that what will you do after launch to ensure the quality of the project is continuously improved?
Well, it is truly said that the business is full of uncertainties. When the risk has to arrive, it will come by any hook or crook until and unless the management is strong. So, continuous improvement after launching the project management is the basic key. So here we will have a time management table and the standard checks which will help us to improve the upgrade and the quality of everything like store and apps with the time. Regular meetings with the manager, sponsor and the team experts will result in smooth performance as everyone will be updated from time to time. Moreover, customer feedback is the most important thing which will help the bookstore to continuously enhance.
Yeah, that's great. So, this is celebration time as we are about to end our project. So, Dilbar, what do you think about your experience?
My experience with this project was great because I think that we all team members contributed equally and every team member shown their efficiency to meet the expectations of this group project as well as the team video presentation.
Yeah, thanks to all.